Everyone, welcome back to Folkdance Library. It's me, Ronard Nasis, and if you are new to my channel, hit like, share, subscribe, and tap the post notification bell for more updates. In today's video, I'll be teaching you another Itik-itik step version. For everyone's information, Itik-itik step comes in different versions. It has different versions. It originated in Carrascal, Cantilan or Cantilan, Lanuza, and Carmen. All can be found in Surigao del Sur in Mindanao. We also have alternate versions found in Visayas. We have in Samar, Cebu, and Tibiao, if I'm not mistaken. So for the performers, it can be all girls or can be in pair, boy and girl. So that's, syempre kailangan natin ng mahiwagang libro, di ba? So wait lang. Okay, so ito na yung mahiwagang libro natin. Ito na yung libro ni Lula Kikay, and let's start. Wait lang, guys. Kamusta naman kayo? But before that, guys, I would like to say thank you so much to those who react, comment sa video na share ko on Facebook. Thank you guys for the views, for watching it, and I'll be publishing it very soon. So let's start. Itik-itik step version 2. Heel, close ball, close. Counts 1, 2, and 3. So, step with the left heel forward, count 1. Slide the right foot close to the left foot in 5th or in 3rd position in rear, count 2. So, we have options again in 5th or in 3rd, but we'll be using the 3rd position in rear. So, that's it. So I'll do it again. 1, 2. Small step forward with the ball of the left foot. Count and yun. Ball, small step forward. So ito guys yung ball natin, okay? And ito naman yung heel natin. So let's do it from the beginning, should I say? Ready? Start. 1, 2, and next. Slide the right foot close to the left in 5th or in 3rd position in rear, count 3. So slide lang natin yung right foot close to the left in rear. When we say rear, it means back or behind, something like that. So let's start from the beginning again. 1, 2, and 3. I'll do it again, guys. 1, 2, and 3. So let's do it 4 measures going forward. So we have 1, 2, and 3, 2, 2, and 3, 3, 2, and 3, 4, 2, and 3. So we have 4 measures. And then we'll just take 2 wall steps doing the lateral movements, left and right alternately. So 1, 2, and then same thing, take 2 wall step turn. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Another side, right side, moving forward. 1, 2, and 3. 2, 2, and 3, 3, 2, and 3, 4, 2, and 3. Wall steps backward. With your right foot leading. 1, 2, 3, 2. Wall step turn. Right, back, and front. So that's it. Basahin ko lang guys ha. I'll make sure lang na tama yung pag-interpret natin. So, step with the left heel forward 1. Slide the right close to left. So, slide the right foot close to left in 5th or in 3rd in rear, count 2. So, I'll use 3rd position. Small step forward with the ball. Okay, it's ball, not with a heel. Yes, ball with the left foot. Tama ba ako? Left foot, count and tama. And then slide the right close to the left in 5th or in 3rd in rear, count 3. That's it. So this is done with one foot leading going forward. So forward lahat. Note, the knee of the closing or sliding foot, ayan, in rear remains straight. There are many more variations of this step found in Surigao where the dance was discovered. So as what I've mentioned, we have different versions from Mindanao, and we also have alternate alternate versions from Visayas. It can be performed by all girls or in pair, boy and girl. This time, guys, let's do it with the left and right foot moving forward, and then two whole steps backward, whole step turns, yeah, left and right. The same thing with the other sides. Side, 4 measures forward. Ready? Go. 1, tat tat tat. 2, tat tat tat. 3, tat tat tat. 4, tat tat tat. 1, tat tat tat. 2, tat tat tat. 3, tat tat tat. 4. And other side. Guys, ayaw kong mag-count ng 1, 2, and 3. 2, 2, and 3. Huwag kayong mag-focus dun, guys, ha. Pag hindi nyo pa kaya i-count yon, focus na tayo sa step kasi yun naman ang pinaka-importante sa lahat. Ulitin nyo lang yung count na 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3 para hindi tayo malito. And then waltz. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right and left, and then we'll repeat 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Right? No, sorry, left, and right, and left, and right. Other side. 1, tat tat tat. 2, tat tat tat. 3, tat tat tat. 4, tat tat tat. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So that's it. To those who haven't seen my version 1, I will link it down below for the information of those who are watching this video, this second version. In holding of skirts, for the girls, it should be this way, or it can be this way, or this way. It's up to you where you're comfortable. And for the boys, usually sinasabi naman sa literature na hands on your waist. Wala namang literal mismo. Ito naman lahat yung waist natin. So, it's up to you where to place it. If close fist on your waist, pwede naman ganyan. Or ganito, guys. Nag-overlap siya. Kasi waist din naman yan eh. Or ganito. Or ganyan. Or ganyan. Kasi waist naman yan eh. So, it's up to you kung saan you think aesthetically beautiful na tingnan and kung ano yung bagay. Kasi sasabi usually sa libro or sa dance literature na hands on your waist. So, it's up to you kung paano mo siya interpret, kung saan waist mo siya ilagay. Basta waist siya. Pero usually dito siya eh. Dito, dito, or dito. Or ganyan. So, it's up to you kung saan kayo comfortable. So, I think let's try it with music. Let's have the application. Let's start. Okay guys, so actually basa ngayon yung floor and then pagpasensyahan nyo na kung kasi umuulan simula kahapon at umuulan. So pagpasensyahan nyo kung makita nyo yung paa ko or yung sole ko na sobrang putik kasi sobrang basa ngayon yung floor. And then if you have noticed na super black yung floor, ganyan na talaga siya guys kasi nasa rooftop tayo ngayon. But what's important is I was able to introduce to you the step. For the music pala, to those who are asking where I got the music, it's actually from Sir Dandan, yes, my friend from Iloilo. Thank you so much, sir, for the music, for the beautiful music. I really appreciate it. Sobrang sarap sumayaw na ang music, napakasarap pakinggan at maraming instruments na naririnig. I'm so happy. Nakaka-boost ng feeling pag sumasayaw pag ganun yung music. So I think that's all for today's video. I hope you like it and I hope that you appreciate it and you learn something. I think that's all for today's video. If you learn a thing or two from it, consider hitting like, share, subscribe, and tap the post notification bell for more updates. Once again, it's me, Ronard Nasis. Guys, don't forget to follow me from all of my social media accounts. Ayun, lagi ko na lang dyan. Yeah, thank you so much for everything, guys. To those who are new, guys, please don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe, and tap the post notification bell for more updates. Guys, huwag mo kalimutan, before you leave this video or before we finish this video, don't forget to subscribe and tap the post notification bell para ma-notify ka every time I post another video. Once again, it's me, Ronald Nasis, saying let's embrace, love, and preserve our culture and safeguard our cultural dances. Always leave footprints of love and kindness wherever you go and believe in good. Ganun talaga. So thank you so much guys. I'll see you on our next video.